Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I would like to talk about how to remotely access your Windows PC or laptop through your Android mobile. Now this connection and this remote viewing can only be possible with the same LAN connection, with the same Wi-Fi connection on both devices. So for that I will go into my terminal and open my Android device and go to Play Store and search for RD client. And as I have installed it, you can install it from here and then open it. Now I've already created a connection to my laptop through this app. I will create another. Go in add PC, and for the IP address I will go in PowerShell and I will type ipconfig, and here is the IP address of my laptop. So I will type this here, and for the user account I can specify one or asked when required, and friendly name is my Windows 10 laptop, and I will enable the admin mode and swap mouse buttons, and I will save it. Now for accessing this I will close this one and open in my mobile phone. Yes, so I'm in my mobile phone, and if I will tap this Windows 10 laptop PC, then I can type my username and my password, hit continue, and it's now asking me the certificate cannot be verified, and we will connect because it's a trustable device. So we'll connect. Now we are in my laptop, so I can access any file or anything using this. Now we can see that the latest snapshot of the laptop is visible. Now we can add several more PCs, add workspace and all that. Thank you for watching, and I hope I was able to explain how to remotely access your Windows PC through your mobile phone. Thank you.